All right, hello everyone. So I'm going to do an unboxing here. What this is a stand, a support stand that Eddie, my buddy from Secret Beach Trading Company, made for me for one of the bottles that I found some years ago in one of my favorite mountain lakes. It's a round bottom bottle, and so I needed some kind of support stand to be displayed, and I really like them. Actually, I have two of them, and he made this one, and he's going to make another one here shortly. He's probably making it now. So let me go ahead and we'll just get this going. So anyway, Secret Beach. Sorry for the poor camera work. I've watched people do this one-handed for a long time. Never realized how it, oh, look at that. That's a reference to a recent video. Awesome. Thank you, Eddie and Carrie. And again, Secret Beach Trading Company. Eddie made this for me special. He actually put a video up on his, cool. He put a video up on his website of him making this. I actually watched it, so I already know what it looks like, but I've actually never seen it in person. So let's take a look. Thank you for not using too much tape, because then I would have to put the camera down. And maybe I might have to anyways. I hope this comes out, because I'm definitely not going to get a second take at this. So if you guys have actually seen the video of him making this, and you already know what it looks like too. Yeah, this is like difficult. One-handed man. All right, there we go. I think this one might end up in my office at work, or I have a spot here to display at home. Some people have asked before about, hey, what's your favorite finds that you found? This is one of them, or actually one of the two of them. I found some pretty old bottles from back in the day. This particular bottle is from like the 1800s. It's a round bottom soda bottle. Oh, this looks awesome, Eddie. Let's see. I'm not sure which way this will go. Let's see. I guess the bottom would go in there. All right, let me go get the bottle. Those would fizz off, so they design them with a round bottom so that they would have to be laying down and the cork would stay wet. So, you know, I saw this on the video, but I'm not sure how that's supposed to go. Let's take a look. Eddie, is this right? I guess I'm gonna have to turn your video on. You know what? I guess it goes any way I want it to go. So, hey, we'll leave it like that for now. So that's it. Secret Beach Trading Company. Eddie does a lot of work with driftwood and succulents. Makes some pretty awesome designs, I think. And then Carrie makes a lot of beautiful pictures and stuff like this for your display. So thank you, guys. See you in the videos. And everybody check out Eddie's stuff on the link. Thanks for watching.